we're going to use the blower motor inside the cab to pressurize the inside of the cab. We're looking for an air leak. That's the complaint. Now, using your accessory kit for your HPT 500, it includes several wands that are connected to your high pressure vapor hose. And we're going to test this vehicle for water and air leaks around the door seals and window seals. So let's turn our tool on, make sure that we get some vapor rolling, and we're just going to follow along the seals where they meet around the doors, following the door seam, and remembering that there is a seal between the A-pillar of the windshield and the door jamb. We're looking for any place that the vapor is being pushed away by air pressure created on the inside of the cab. And I'm finding something right here, pretty massive. So if there was a complaint of air noise on this truck, the first thing I'm going to look for is a spot right here where the door seal isn't sealing. Now, your HPT 500 accessory kit comes with enough length of wand to be able to reach all the way to the windshield. You want to make sure that you reach as much of the sealing area as possible. We hope you can see why the Bosch HPT 500 Heavy Duty Leak Tester will help you quickly and easily find intake and exhaust system leaks, eliminate forced regeneration issues, and save on fuel. These are 3 good reasons why you should have this machine in your shop to diagnose those pesky leak issues. For more information about the Bosch HPT 500 and the accessory kit, or any other Bosch products, please contact us at the information provided on the screen.